MH-NB500 Intelligent Dual Light Infrared Temperature Screening System consists of a dual light camera, black body, laptop, and the tripod. The first step. Mount the black body on a tripod, plug in the power connection cable, and then power on. The second. Place the double light camera on a tripod, and then the camera is fixed on the tripod with turning the screw. Plug in the network interface and the power connection cable again. The third. Plug in the network interface to the laptop and open the laptop. As we can see, 3 people are stand here, and then let me see the screen of laptop together. 2 modes are displayed on the computer screen. The left side is thermal imaging and the right side is visible light mode. From the screen, we can see that the temperature of the 3 people moving is normal. A person is holding the hot water bug on his forehead. 5 seconds later he removed. The temperature is abnormal right away. The green box turns into a red box and the voice prompts that the temperature is abnormal.